Wait. I hope you guys are doing okay, because I am. I woke up in a tremendous, awesome, freaking mood today. And I'm going to the beach later. So, hold on. I'm thirsty. Hold on. Shout out to Core Water. I put lemon in there. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my wet look on natural hair. And for those who stumbled across my channel, there had to be a reason why you're here. So welcome to my channel, my new trendy baby. And since you're here, make sure that you go back to my old videos and like, comment, and since you already subscribed, thank you. And if you guys want me, like I always keep saying, you guys give and I will provide. So leave whatever you're thinking, it could be whatever, in the comment box below. And please hit that bell. What? Hit that bell. Hit that bell icon. There we go. Hit the bell icon below to know when your girl Talia is posting. So without further ado, this is my wet look. So first, I'm going to be taking my, I think, day 3 washed hair right out of this ponytail. And my hair is going to be a mess, but that's how I always wake up. So, yeah. I'm going to be fluffing out my hair because when my hair has been up for a while, it just like bunches up. So I'm just trying to I guess, loosen the clumps of knot. I mean, I don't know if that even makes sense. Of course, I didn't have a comb, so I'm again going to be using my fingernails. And I'm going to part my hair into 2 because I like working with one side. Part one side, and now we're ready to go. I'm going to be taking my green spray bottle full of water, and the point, guys, of a wet look is obviously to make it extremely wet. Not like, you know, drenched, because you don't want your hair dripping water, because that is a pet peeve of mine. I hate going to the salon and like they wash my hair and give me that little baby towel. Like, no. And then that water drips on the back of my neck. Like, not necessary. Next, I'm going to be using this DevaCurl Super Stretch product. This is good for trying to, I guess, like, make your curls pop, because that's the result that I've gotten from this product. It's really good for, like, keeping that hold, but while not taking away from your curls. This product makes your curls more defined, but, like, it freezes your hair. But it doesn't make your hair crunchy. If it's something I hate from gels, it's the fact that like they like make your hair feel so dry and like so brittle, and I do not like that. That's like a main reason as to why I stopped using certain gels. But DevaCurl, you definitely won over me. You got that. So now I'm going to be going in with my Conair Gently Detangling Brush. I have to get a new one because the bristles are like caving in. But remember, girls or guys, to like detangle from the bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. And I'm just making sure that the knots are all gone, because the point like of a wet look is also to keep your hair as flat as possible. Because you want it to look as sleek, like, yeah, sleek and slayed down. And yeah, you guys can clearly see from this, I guess, view that my curls are getting really defined, and soon you're gonna see the shrinkage. My hair can go from being really poofy to being really short, and it's like I'm bald, but that's not the case. And then I'm going to just be raking my fingers through my hair to just make sure that there are no knots. And when I'm done, you guys know what I do. I go to the other side and I do the exact same thing. Don't worry, we are not done with the products that I plan to be using. It's just to make sure that I'm not, you know, leaving one side for completely last minute. So I'm going to be drenching my right side just like how I did on my left side, making sure that my hair is wet, because with poofy hair or just big hair, for this look you have to make sure that it's wet and laid down at all times. So I'm making sure that the water is actually reaching every part of my hair, because when I like wash my hair, like it takes a good minute for my hair to actually get really wet. So I'm going in again with the stretch cream from DevaCurl and just making sure my hair's getting the product so my curls can stay frozen while keeping its curl pattern. I'm going to comb my hair again with the Conair gently detangling brush, and as you guys can see, just like I told you guys, the shrinkage already started happening because there are no knots and my curls are like, oh my god. Remember to comb your hair and detangle all the way from the bottom to the top. This way you don't have any hair damage or breakage, none of the sorts. Look at those defined curls. Now for the last product, I'm going to be using DevaCurl's gel, which is one of the gels that I actually use because they are not like making my hair too dry anyway. But first, just make sure that my hair isn't dry from the back, so I just added a little bit more water and just making sure for one last time that there are no knots anywhere. You see my curls, guys? That's what you have to try to get. And I'm going in with the light defining gel. This product is extremely light too. Like, this is not a heavy cream or any of the sort. It's actually, you don't really feel it. This is like the finishing touch. And you just make sure that you're getting it all over your hair so that frizz doesn't happen. And if you need more, by all means, you can definitely do so. But don't do too much because you don't want your hair, you know, getting too much product, because that's not good either. I'm taking my soft brush and I'm just passing it over my head to really slay and sleek down my hair. And as you guys noticed from the beginning of this video, from my hair being poofy until now, detangling played a really big role with this look. This is a really classy look too. It really like looks like your hair has been taken care of. For those of you that don't know, my hair is 3B3C and natural. And I'm scrunching right now because when I detangle my hair, there are certain strands that just stay a little straight. Not because of damage, but just because since there was gel that was put in, it tends to like freeze that way. But scrunching does help, but this is the final look. The back, everything's sleek, everything's gorgeous, and exactly how we wanted it to look. Now we just wait for it to dry. 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna go right in front of the fan to actually make sure. So yeah, 10 minutes, and then it should look exactly the same. So my hair is officially dried. It has been drying for 10 minutes, and now this is why it's called the wet look, because when it's dry it looks wet. Duh. Voila. Ta-da! It's done! So if you guys enjoyed that wet look, that's honestly what I do, because with 3B, 3C hair, which is what I have, it's frozen. That's crazy. It's like, my hair is dry. It's dry. I stood in front of the fan for like 10 minutes. You see that fan right there? Yeah, I stood in front of that fan. And my hair is like really frozen. Thank you to DevaCurl, because these products are actually really they work. For the wet look, these two products actually work. I'm gonna leave the product names in the description box down below. But yeah, with 3B, 3C natural hair, it doesn't take much for the hair to curl. Because once you put in water and comb through it, your hair's like going to be wet already, but the point of the wet look is for it to stay like that all day. So that's why I used the products that I did. So thank you guys so much for the love, and thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, my trendy babies. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support, because you know that I am always willing to post whatever you guys want me to do. So yeah, this is good for like the summertime or whatever time. It doesn't matter, because you will look popping with this wet look. So yeah, disclaimer, we all have our different techniques and ways of how to do this specific look, but this is honestly how I do this look. So thank you guys for all the love. Ooh, I actually love it. Thank you guys for all the love. I love you guys so much, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.